You go first.
Yes. So, body fight.
Body fight.
Open the flag. Darkness Dragon World.
Dragon World.
My body. Black Death Dragon. Abigail. Revival body.
My body, Dragon Knight, El Quixote, Revival body.
Go first. Draw. Charge and draw. Set. Age of Nightmare. Call. Chaos Darrenberg. Chaos Darrenberg on N3. Look at top 3, put 1 to hand and the rest to the drop zone. 1, 2, 3. The rest to drop. Cast. Light of Destiny.
Okay.
Pay on gauge. Put top deck to gauge. Put one monster with critical 2 or less. Abigail or Gale. Put into your hand. Gale. Critical 2 or less. Abigail.
Cut.
Call. Abigail. Abigail Revival body. Pay on gauge. Skill. When a black dragon monster enters the field, put top card to drop zone. Okay. When a black dragon is set, this card size is reduced by 1. So size 0. Call. Size 0. Vidor Node. Skill, destroy another black dragon on the field. If you do, search deck for a black dragon impact. From deck to hand.
Cut.
When this card is put to the field to the drop zone, put up to one black dragon monster. From drop zone to hand. No more set spell. Size is oversized. Call. Night 3 black dragon Abigail. Put the black dragon from drop zone to the zone. P1 gauge. Skill. Pay 2 life. Wind of Redemption. Destroy a black dragon on my field. If destroyed, draw a card. And put the top 3 cards of your deck to the game.
3.
3. Okay. Abigail. When this card is destroyed, put the top 3 cards of your deck to the drop zone. No monster.
No.
Okay. Cast. 100 Demon Sorcery, Death Sacrifice. Destroy 3. Draw 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. When destroyed, mill 3. Monster. Draw a card. Set. Obituary. In this card is set and you have Black Dragon from the drop zone. Draw a card. Call. A1 beach. Become size 0. Call. Gloomy Flame Balsam. On entry, destroy a black dragon in my field. If I do gauge enter. When this card is put to drop zone, choose drop 1 card from your hand.
Drop.
Drop 1 card from your hand. Skill. P2 life. Destroy. Mill 3. Draw a card. Black Ritual. Destroy. Top deck. Gain 1 life. Draw 2 cards. Cast. Million Edge. A1 life. Both of us drop the top 2 cards of our deck. Then I will draw a card. Cast Removal Voice. A1 gauge. Call a size 1 or less black dragon monster by paying the call cost. Cast for the future. Pay 1 life. Put top 2 cards in deck. Then reveal up to 1 monster. If I have Abigail, reveal up to 1 card and put 2 hand instead. Put 2 hand. Cast Black Regalo. Destroy Black Dragon Monster. Put top 3 cards of my deck to the bench. Not once per turn. And no set spell. So no, I do not gain 3 life. When destroy, mill 3. Monster, draw card. Skill. Destroy. Mill 3. Draw card. Abi and destroy. Mill 3. Monster. Draw card. Cast. Counter. Pay to gauge. Blood Dragon Ceremony, Bloody Opening. Call a Black Dragon Monster from drop zone by paying the call cost. Pay to gauge. Put a Black Dragon to the zone. Call. Destroy another Black Dragon Monster. If you do, search deck for Black Dragon item or set and put to hand. Set. When destroyed, drop 3. Monster. Draw. Black Regalo. Wait, sorry. Before. Set. Cast Black Regalo. Destroy. Top 3 to gauge. Mill 3.
Monster.
Monster. Deck check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's four threes to go.
Cast. Devil Stigma. Destroy. Top 2. Entering battle phase. For 2.
Down to
Final phase. P3 gauge. Destroy one or more. Destroy. Okay. When destroyed. When enters the field. Drop mill 1. On entry, put a Black Dragon Impact from drop zone to the bottom of the deck. Impact. The bottom of the deck. If you do drop top 9 cards.
9.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Down to 2.
Deal 3 damage. And I gain 3 life.
2, down to 5.
Ay, turn it.
Draw.
How many cards left?
1.
Charge and draw.
Caught. In 1 life. Dragonite Archaeota Revival Guardian.
Radical?
Yep.
Okay. Less 1 gauge when calling.
Equip Imperial Cavalry Dragon Atlas Hyperion. Put 2 Dragonite from your drop zone and pay 1 gauge. Pay 1.
Okay. When they attack, wait, I think it's a different word.
And destroys your opponent's monster or deal damage to your opponent.
Okay. I'm open at my center, okay.
Dragonite Ginter.
Okay, so you will not use the ability. Seven life.
What will push through first?
Yeah, of course,
The
your
draw
damage.
or the damage?
The
The
damage.
damage link attack for 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Battle phase?
Battle
Okay,
phase.
go, proceed.
Link attack. Center. For
Ah.
7.
Down to 0. But it activates. Dragon Force. Pay 2 gauge. And
Your life becomes 1.
discard a card from your hand. From my hand. My life becomes 1.
Oh, wait. If it's attacking alone, no.
So, since you dealt me damage,
Yeah. Good.